which way will the water move? Now, this week we've been focusing on osmosis, so I want you to look at these pairs of cells and think, which direction will the water move by osmosis? So this is the first pair of cells, this is the second, this is the third. I might even throw one more on at the end. But there's two cells next to each other. There's water inside both of the cells in the cytoplasm. There's going to be osmosis occurring because we've got a difference in water potential. We've got a water potential gradient. Which way is the water going to move? What do you think for the first one? Well, this cell has a water potential of 0 kilopascals. This one is minus 0.5. So the water's going to move that way because we're going from a higher water potential to a lower water potential. And this is more negative. Inside this cell, this would have to be pure water because 0 kilopascals is the highest water potential possible. So that would have to be pure water with no solute dissolved in there, which is very unrealistic, by the way. Let's have a look at number 2. What do you think for this one? The water's going to go this way, okay? Because minus 0.5 is closer to 0 or higher. Minus 1.5 is lower. It's a more negative water potential. And remember, I'm going to repeat it loads during this video, but water always moves from a higher water potential to a lower water potential. Now, some of you might be thinking this is really easy, but I have noticed that students do struggle with negative numbers to figure out which number is actually bigger. So we're going to do another one. Here, which water potential is the highest, which is the lowest? The water is going to go this way. Because minus 12.8 is higher or closer to 0, if you like, than minus 12.9. This is a more negative or a lower water potential, so water will go that way. I think we're going to squeeze in one more. So let me give you some new values. Hopefully you've got it by now, and this is going to be super easy. Let's imagine we've got minus 0.02 kilopascals and minus 0.04. Both very high water potentials. They are both very close to 0. So clearly there's not a lot of solute dissolved in either of these cells, but the water would go that way because this is less negative than this, or this is more negative than this, or this is a higher water potential and this in comparison is a lower water potential. Let me know in the comments if that helped. Let me know if you were struggling with these negative values for water potential.